Episode 2 English in Daily Life. Hello, and welcome back to the channel Learn English with Anam. I'm so happy you've joined me again. This is episode 2, and today, we're going to talk about one of the most important and useful topics for English learners, English in daily life. Whether you're going shopping, commuting to work, meeting a friend, or just grabbing a coffee, English is everywhere, especially if you're in an English-speaking environment. So today, we'll explore simple, everyday phrases and conversations you can use in your daily routine. Let's dive right in. Section 1. Starting the day morning routine. Let's begin with the morning routine. Here are some common phrases. Good morning. Did you sleep well? I need a cup of coffee. What's the plan for today? I'm running late. Now let me give you a short dialogue. Person A, good morning. Person B, morning. Did you sleep well? Person A, not really. I stayed up too late. I need a strong coffee. Person B, same here. Let's grab one on the way. Try repeating some of those lines after me. Ready? Good morning. Did you sleep well? I need a cup of coffee. Great job. Section 2. At work or school. Now, let's move to work or school. Here are some useful phrases. What's on the schedule today? Let's have a quick meeting. Can I ask a question? Sorry, I didn't understand that. Could you explain that again, please? Here's a mini conversation.
Boss, let's have a quick meeting before lunch.
Employee, sure. What's on the agenda?
Boss, we'll talk about the new project.
Employee, great. I'll take notes.
Useful, right? Try practicing these lines at home or with a friend. If you're learning alone, speak them aloud. Don't worry about mistakes. Practice builds confidence. Section 3. At the grocery store or market. Now let's talk about going shopping or to the grocery store. Here are some typical phrases. Excuse me, where can I find the bread? How much does this cost? Do you have fresh fruit? Can I pay by card? Keep the change. Mini dialogue. Customer, excuse me, where is the milk? Store clerk, it's in aisle 3. Customer, thank you. And do you have brown bread? Clerk, yes, it's right over there. Customer, perfect. I'll take 2 loaves. Section 4. Talking to friends or neighbors. Let's not forget about casual conversations with friends or neighbors. Small talk is a big part of daily life. How's it going? What's new with you? Nice weather today, isn't it? Did you watch the game last night? Let's catch up soon. Example. Friend A, hey, long time no see. Friend B, I know, right? How's everything going? Friend A, pretty good. Just busy with work. Friend B, same here. Let's catch up this weekend. These kinds of short chats help build relationships and improve your fluency. Try to use at least one friendly phrase every day. Now that you've learned some useful phrases, let me give you 3 simple tips to practice English in daily life. Talk to yourself in English. Describe what you're doing. I'm brushing my teeth. I'm making lunch, etc. Label things in your home with sticky notes. Right door, fridge, mirror, and say the words daily. Use English in your phone settings and apps. It forces you to read and understand every day. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to practice. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to practice. That brings us to the end of today's episode on English in daily life. I hope you learned some new phrases and feel more confident using English in your everyday situations. If you enjoyed this episode, be sure to follow this podcast and share it with your friends. Thank you for listening to Learn English with Anam. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing.